Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In last video we looked about this catalog and setup, but in this video we will see about this growing and crop protection. So let's see about that. First of all, under this growing operation menu provided here is first of all propagation. So propagation is a planting the seeds. So first is a propagation, that is where new crop patches are created. For example, if you show 100 red roses seeds in the 3-liter pot on bench A, you log it here along with this media cost like an $800 cabinet media fee to track your starting production expense. Second one is a crop. So when you move in this crop, then the live batch tracking dashboard. So next crop is your master inventory list for your live batch. Looking at the batch, crop number is a 13. It shows 100 red roses currently sitting in the available stage on a bench A, so ready for the customer order. And now third one is when create a crop, then create a to-do task. So the farm crews daily calendar. So to-do task is automatically generate a work schedule for your team based on your growth protocols. For this rose batch, it's scheduled potting on 4th July 8th and spacing on August 15th. Pruning on September 12th and final quality control checked in the November. Now next is watering logs. So it's a daily irrigation tracking. So watering logs keep a direct record for the irrigation. For instance, logging that 10 liters of the water were given to greenhouse 1 on August 4th ensure your crops stay hydrated without overwatering. Now after this watering logs, now feeding logs in plant nutrition and fertilization record. So feeding logs track fertilization routine. Here you log liquid feed application like applying a 3-unit pots fertilization routine. So you can review feeding schedule across different zones. Now next is losses and dead culled. So it's tracking damage or unsellable plants. It's called the losses, dead and culled. So losses helps you track why plants were removed from the inventory. For example, logging 40 Fortinia plants culled due to poor quality and $100 loss, or 79 roses adjust during a physical stock count keeps your financial books accurate. Now next portion available for the crop protection and health. So the crop protection in this the health is an inspection report. So moving to health, pest scourging in where field worker low pest sighting. For instance, if a scout found the aphids with a count of the 8 in greenhouse 1, so which passes the safely limit threshold of the 5, the system automatically raise an alert for this action. Next one is a spray record. So this creating a treatment plan. So spray record turns scouting report into the treatment plan. So in response to the aphid, it's created an approved spray order. For immediate spray, 200 SC recording, the exact license reference and the target location. And last step is the spray safety hold. So when you logged or moved into this block, then it's called this spray safety holds and the digital quarantine flag. So finally, the spray safety holds enforces worker safety rule. When chemicals are applied, the system locks the zone, like applying a 12-hour re-entry interval hold, so team members don't enter the greenhouse until it's completely safe. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.